Imagine building your first mobile app today, even if you've never written a line of code. No computer science degree, no expensive software, and no years of experience. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are building real Android and iOS apps using one free tool. And you can start in under an hour. Millions of people are building apps right now, apps you can actually use and even publish. The question isn't whether you can build an app. The real question is, why haven't you started yet? Before we jump into the how, let us talk about the why, because understanding why this skill matters is what will keep you motivated when things get tough. There are currently over 6 billion smartphone users worldwide. Every single one of those people uses apps every day for shopping, entertainment, fitness, finance, productivity, and more. Businesses know this, which is why demand for mobile developers is at an all-time high. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, software developer jobs, including mobile, are expected to grow over 25% in the next decade. That is much faster than almost any other career. But here is what makes this even more exciting. You do not have to work for a company to benefit. You can build your own app, monetize it with ads or subscriptions, and create a passive income stream. Many independent developers make thousands of dollars per month from apps they built in their spare time. Some of those apps started as weekend projects by beginners, just like you. So whether you want a high-paying job, a freelance career, or your own app business, learning mobile development puts you in a powerful position. So let's go, guys. For that, I will open my VS Code. VS Code is an IDE in which you can use all coding languages to build any application or website. I will do zero coding, okay? Don't think that this is some interface which is not in your control. If it is not in your control, then it is not in mine either. But if it is in my control, then it is in yours too, because we are both in the same boat. I also know zero coding and development. So you also just do it simply like I am showing you. You open your simple VS Code and install an extension named Client CLINE, which is already installed here. You see this, here is the client. Now here I have to enter my prompt, that master prompt. It will contain every detail about my app which I want. And after that, I just have to sit back and watch with my hands folded, and I will see in front of my eyes that my AI agent is doing all the coding for me. And while coding wherever it gets stuck or wherever it needs me, it will only tell me there, "Brother, do this thing." I will do it, and then it will continue. And in this way, in front of your eyes, every single day, one complete app will be made. Now, from where will you get this planning? I will tell you that too. Guys, you will get that planning from Gemini or ChatGPT. You will go to Gemini and give a prompt like this. Either take a screenshot of this prompt, or if you tell me, I will put it in the description, you can take it from there. Here you just have to replace my app topic with your own app topic and give some detail of what your app actually does. I have given detail here, and after that it has told me everything about how my app planning will be. Because I am using Gemini 3 Pro, so definitely its output is next level and I can trust it, and this is exactly what I needed. So whatever it has given me, now according to that I will execute here one by one. First of all, I will give my AI agent a role, that it is a senior Flutter architect and engineer, etc. All these things it has already created. So I will copy it from here. I will copy this whole phase. This phase is till here. Then after that, I will give the phase 2 prompt separately. So first, let's copy phase 1. Go here, enter it like this, and wait and watch. As you see, guys, the API request has reached my AI agent. It has also thought about what to do, and then it has created a page which is pubspec.yaml. This has been created, which is very important for a Flutter app. Now, what is Flutter? Let's not go into detail. Just assume Flutter is a framework whose language is Dart, and with Flutter, you can easily upload the app to both Android and iOS, meaning you don't need to make different apps. So guys, you see I did nothing and it is doing things on its own, and this is what the beauty of this AI agent era is. So guys, now your AI has given you the complete detail of task completion, that whatever you told it, your AI has done that. Or more precisely, the AI agent has said that phase 1 has been completed. Foundation and data has been successfully completed, in which it has added dependencies, created data models, made a repository layer, and established the complete project structure. The foundation is now set. meaning every building has a foundation. So the main foundation of this app, according to my planning, has been done by it. Now it is saying the app is ready for AI integration, local database operation setup, and state management implementation, after which my app will be completed. Now guys, here is the proof. If you get this page, then it means your app has started building, because this is the Flutter demo homepage, where you can see that if this function button is working, it means your Flutter app has started building. And this is just our phase 1. Now let's implement phase 2. To implement phase 2, you simply have to copy this section of phase 2 till where phase 2 is. Right-click, come back, click on New Task, enter the prompt, enter, and now wait, and watch. So guys, the thinking of my phase 2 has started, and as soon as the thinking is complete, yes, like this, now it will start executing the implementation of phase 2 in front of your eyes. Now my phase 2 is also complete because here the green color task completed notice has come. So now the screen is ready to be integrated. Now let's go directly to phase 3. In phase 3, what do we have to do? We have to create a user interface. Copy, come back, start new task, enter, once again enter, and again you have to wait for phase 3 to be completed. Now this time phase 3 is also complete. Key features implemented which are shown here were part of phase 3 and are completed. Now quickly, let's go and complete phase 4 as well. Click on New Task, enter, once again enter. Guys, phase 4 has been completed, and after the completion of phase 4, my app has started showing how it will look in real time. So you can see here I can manage things, I can increase or decrease stress level, I can increase or decrease energy level, and in fact, I can also write tasks here. For example, presentation, and then I can click on Generate Schedule. So guys, my plan for today has been created. This is how the app should work. But it is still not finished. We still have phase 5 to complete, in which an actionable notification will go to the user, which will be for that task. For example, it should send a notification 15 minutes before. So that is what we have to implement in phase 5. Let's copy it, go to New Task, and enter it. And again, wait for some time, and we will see the magic happen. See guys, after the completion of phase 5 now in my app, the option to allow notifications has also come. That if I as a user allow notifications, then now I will start getting notifications 5 minutes before every task on my phone. So guys, I allow it, let's click Allow. And now inside my app, all the phases have been completed, which according to Gemini were required to build this type of app. So guys, now my app is officially ready to go into the market. But still, I will not upload it to the market, meaning the Play Store, because now the work left on it is its design, how this app should look. Right now, what you are seeing is a very basic raw design, but all the back-end logic and structuring is complete. You just give it design, and the job to build a modern-age app has been done. Literally, it was as easy as I showed in this video today. Let us bring everything together. You now know that mobile app development is one of the highest demand, highest earning skills you can learn right now. You know that Flutter is the best starting point for beginners who want to build apps for both Android and iOS. You know how to set up your environment, you understand the core concepts, you know where to find the best free resources, and you know the common pitfalls to avoid. The only thing left is for you to actually start. Open your laptop, go to flutter.dev, and download the SDK today. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. If this video gave you value, smash that like button because it genuinely helps this channel reach more learners just like you. Subscribe so you do not miss the next video where we dive deeper into Flutter, building a real-world app with live data and a polished UI. Drop a comment below telling me what kind of app you want to build first. I read every single one. See you in the next one.